Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make your Adobe Acrobat your default PDF reader. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Acrobat, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To make your Adobe Acrobat your default PDF reader on your computer, you just have to follow these simple steps depending on your operating system. Basically, if you're using the Adobe Acrobat web version, you're not going to be able to make the Adobe Acrobat default. What we need to do is go to your operating system. If you're using Windows 10 and 11, I need you to click the Start button right here and go to the Apps, type in your Apps. Click the Apps and Features. And then I need you to go to the default apps right here from the left menu and select the Adobe Acrobat as a default. All we're going to do now is choose a default by apps by file type. Wait for it. And from the default apps here, all I have to do is click the Adobe Acrobat. Now, this will be the default app for opening PDF files. It's very easy. Click on it, choose an app, click the Adobe Acrobat, and that's that. It's very easy. And now, as you can see, it will be the default app if you try to open any PDF files within your computer. All right? It's very easy. Now, the next option that you can do is go to your computer. All right? For example, right-click for any PDF file that you can find. And then open with, go to choose another app. What will happen is, as you can see, if you do that, you should be able to open that on Adobe Acrobat. And select Acrobat, right? It's very easy, really. Just wait for it. Click OK, and what will happen is you would be forwarded here. All right. Always check the box labeled. Always use this app to open any .pdf files and click OK. All right. It's very easy. Now, making your Adobe Acrobat your default PDF reader has several advantages, particularly for those who frequently use PDFs. All right, because Adobe Acrobat offers advanced tools like annotation, editing, and digital signatures that most other PDF readers do not provide. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.